Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a calamansi pie for my mom's birthday. And so yeah, I already have all my stuff out and I have like a bunch of calamansi left over, and it's not expired or anything, so I wanted to use it because I haven't used it in a while. And the first thing I'm going to do is make my pie crust. I already have some smashed graham crackers in here, and so now I'm just adding in my melted butter. Start forming this together. I have my pie pan here. Oh, and then I forgot brown sugar. But yeah, I have my pie pan here, and it's already sprayed so that nothing sticks. And we'll keep sniffing around here looking for food, but this week I'm actually not making her anything. Okay, so I ended up adding a little bit more butter, so I ended up using 6 tablespoons. It's because I couldn't find the exact recipe I've used before for the crust, but yeah, this seems like a pretty good consistency. You don't want it to be too crumbly and too wet. So dump it all in here and then flatten it out with my spatula. There we go. Don't have to worry too much about those crumbs. So I'm just going to even it out a little bit. Yeah, adding that little bit more butter helped a lot. And then I'm going to start smashing it down. Now that I have this all flattened, I am going to bake this for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to start making my filling, of course, and first, already in my bowl, I have my egg yolks, and then I'm going to add in my calamansi juice. I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt because of how sweet this recipe is. And I'm going to mix it together. I'm just going to be using a hand mixer. And lastly, I'm going to add in my condensed milk. You can see that there's a lot of it, and I'm probably going to need to scoop it out because of how thick it is. There we go. Willow definitely can't eat any of this. This is way too sweet for her. I'm ready to mix all of my ingredients together. So I just took my crust out of the oven, and immediately after I took it out, I put in the filling already. I didn't have to worry about struggling with that on camera. So now I'm going to put it back into the oven, same temperature, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes. This is what it looks like, and I actually ended up baking it for 25 minutes. And so now I just want to do like a little bit of decoration. And so I have this like whipped cream here. I just used heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and then a little bit of calamansi juice. And so I'm just gonna put some on here. And first I'm just gonna do like little stars on the edge, like this. And here it is after I decorated it. Poor Willow thinks it's for her. And then also we were like making pizza over here for dinner, so she thinks she's like getting pizza and dessert, but she definitely can't eat both of those. So I'll try and cut into it with this, but usually with like crust and stuff, it's usually very hard. And so maybe just like get an idea. put a slice like that, and then I'll probably use like a knife to actually cut the crust part. But yeah, now that I'm realizing it, this part is actually not the crust, it's part of the pie because it's the condensed milk, so it kind of like caramelized. Because the crust we didn't do up all the way, we just did it on the bottom. So yeah, let me get this slice off now. There we go. Put it on here carefully. And then that's what it looks like on the inside. It's like a nice caramel color. Now I'm going to taste it. Put up my cute little Hello Kitty plate. Nice bite there. So I think it tastes pretty good. It is definitely a little sweet, but I think maybe the calamansi juice like kind of helps that. I don't know if I can tell if I can taste it or not, but either way, I think it tastes pretty good. Of course, we use a lot of condensed milk, so I can taste that a lot. And I think that there was like a pie I made once before. I think it was like in the Overwatch cookbook or something that like kind of reminds me of this, like very similar. But I actually like this one, and it tastes pretty good. And yeah, I don't know if I'd make it again, but again, this is like for my mom for her birthday, so she'll probably eat more of it than I will. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.